Okay, I think now you can see my screen, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's just start with the chapter. So in this chapter, understanding elementary shapes. That means you have to understand about different types of shape, how they work and everything. Right? You will do the measurement and everything. Fine?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
let's start. First, we are going to do the first one, which is basically the first exercise, which is not, which is only the part of this. Okay. First is, what is the disadvantage in comparing line segment by mere observation? Okay, so they are asking you, first of all, mere observation. What do you understand by mere observation? Right, so over here, see, the mere observation over here is like roughly you are measuring it, right? You are not using any scale or something, right? So can you tell me, if you will compare two line segment, right? What is the disadvantage of doing it roughly? Tell me.
Ma'am, it won't be equal.
Yes. And more.
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay. So over here, by mere observation, we cannot compare the line segment with slight difference in their length. Right? We cannot say which line segment is greater length. Hence, the changes of error due to improper viewing are higher. Getting the point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I will give you the solutions of it. Don't worry. Right? But let's first discuss and then you will write. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now coming to the second one. Second question says what? Second question says why it is better to use a divider than a ruler while measuring the length of a line segment. You know the divider, you know the ruler, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So divider looks like this, yes, and ruler is a straight one, right? So why it is better to use this? So the answer would be while using a ruler, changes of error occur due to thickness of the ruler and angular viewing. Hence, using divider, accurate measure is possible. Fine. You know,
Yes,
in a
ma'am.
ruler, we have different numbers over here, right? Sometimes we are unable to, for example, if it is here 4 and here 5, and if it is coming in between, then it becomes difficult for you to measure. So that's why doing it through divider is important, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now next is draw any line segment, say AB. Take any point C lying in between A and B. Measure the length of AB, BC and AC. Is AB equals to AC plus CB? Very, very important and very, very easy, right? Have a look
Yes.
how to do this, right? So over here, can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So let's just do it. Okay. So over here, A and this is C. So the length is, right? Just measure it. And now AB. B is in between, right? So let's just take it here, right? AB is 5 centimeter. BC is 3 centimeter. When you will add AB plus BC, it will give you AC. Yes. If you will add AB and BC together, you will get this AC. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So AB is 5 centimeter plus 3 centimeter equals to AC. So it became 8 centimeter. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So they are asking you whether they are equal or not. Right? So over here you have to mention that, ma'am, see, since the given point C is in between AB, right? They have taken AB. I was taking AC, right? Hence, all the points are lying on the same line segment AB. Therefore, for every situation in which point C is lying between A and B, we must say that it will be equal, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, for example, let's just take something else. Like, let's just take this, right? This is A, C, and over here B. Okay, in the question, they are asking you for something different. Wait. In the question, they are saying this AB. AB is a line segment. We were taking AC, right? Let's just draw 3 examples. AB, I made this point here. This is 5 and this is 4. Okay. I can make
Yes,
another situation over here. C can be here. It can be 2 and 5. Right?
yes, ma'am.
All the will be saying that AC plus BC equals to AB. In this situation also, AC plus BC equals to AB. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So now first what you are going to do, you people are going to write the answers. Okay, question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine, Abubakar, you also got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, the question and answer.
Sorry?
Ma'am, the question and answer.
Yes, these are like whatever we discussed now in the questions, these are the solutions. Okay? Because
Okay,
you have to
ma'am.
answer it, you can write it like this. First question we discussed like what are the disadvantages of comparing line segment by mere observation. So this was the answer that you will not get the accurate. Second, a question we did was divider and ruler, which one is better. So this, and third one we discussed. So this is how you have to write the answers. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay. Abubakar, you are also done writing? No? Yes?
Ma'am, Lakshmi.
Okay, okay, just write it. Right.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Now coming to the next one. Okay. Now we are going to discuss this one. If A, B, C are the 3 points on the line, such as AB is 5 centimeter, BC is 3 centimeter, and AC is 8 centimeter. Which one of them lies in between other two? I have already taught you so many points, right? Do this one and tell me the answer. Right? You know
Yes,
this?
ma'am.
You have to tell me, just draw the line, mark the points, and name it. Like this is 8 centimeter, this is like that, and then tell me which one is lying in between. Right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, for the fifth one, should we just write true or false?
Sorry.
For the fifth one, should I just write true or false?
Fifth one?
Should I write true or false?
Yes, for fifth one.
Okay, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay. Try doing the sixth one also.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I don't understand the sixth one.
Sorry.
Ma'am, I don't understand the sixth one.
Sixth one.
Yes,
Sixth one is if B is the midpoint of AC and C is the midpoint of BD, where ABCD line in the straight line, you have to draw a line and then you have to plot the ABCD according to the question.
ma'am, I still don't understand.
Okay, okay, leave it. I'll tell you, don't worry.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, done, ma'am. Ma'am, should I do the seventh one also?
No. I'll tell you. Okay. For this one, the question was if ABC are the 3 points, right? AB
Yes,
and
ma'am.
B. So A and C would be this and B would be here, right?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
B is the midpoint, right? And they lies here. In this, verify D is the midpoint of AG. A is here and G is here. D is here. So how many? 2 are left here. 2 are left here. So yes, ma'am.
Yeah. D is the midpoint of AG.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Then yes.
I did not like the points like A to C. B is the middle point. I just wrote from A, G. I saw the middle point and wrote D.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, ma'am.
Now if B is the midpoint of AC, right? A, C, B is the midpoint, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And C is the midpoint of BD. B and D is here and C is the midpoint, right? So your points like this. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
And this no equals to this, not a problem. Now coming to next one, over the angle, right angle, straight angle. Right angle is 90 degree, right? And straight angle is 180 degree. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, both of you,
Yes, ma'am.
right? Now coming, one more thing which I'm going to teach you is this. North, south, east, west, right? When we will be doing clock now, you have to be very careful, right? So like this is first quarter, then it will move like this. Yes. And remember one thing, for example, 12, 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, right? This is 90 degree, right? But from
Yes,
12
ma'am.
to 1, this part, only from 1, it is 30 degree. Fine. Here
Yes,
also
ma'am.
30 degree. Here also 30 degree. When you will calculate all them, 30, 30, 30, it became 90 degree. Fine.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
the angle between 12 and 1 is 30 degree. Okay. Okay. Now, this one is very, very important. Okay. Just listen to it. From 12 to 6, it is moving. So it is covering half, right? So you wrote half. Okay. Now, this is covering only this part. So there are 4. Out of 4, only 1 is being covered, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So that's why you will write it like this. And here, they are covering 1, 2, 3. Of course, 3. So 3 out of 4. Find this one. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody, see, to make 90, to make one side, right? You need 3 angles. So 1, 2, and 3, right? So that's why this is 1. And then 1, 2, 3 would be the second one. 1, 2, 3 would be the third one. And 1, 2, 3 would be the fourth one. So from 4, yes, from 4, how many are covered? Only 3 are covered, right? And 1 is left. So 3 out of 4 revolution it is. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Abu Bakr, clear? And in this one, you might be confused why I wrote 1 upon 2. In this, how many total are? 4 are there. And how many I have covered? 2, right?
Yes, ma'am.
1 and 2. So I wrote 2. Then I simplified. I got 1 upon 2. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you will quickly draw this in your notebook. Okay? And then we will move to the question answers. In the next class only, I told you to bring your measurement part. So I hope you bought it, like compass and everything.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we should draw this, right?
Yes.
Ma'am, all 3?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. I'm done.
Done, both of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now coming to this one, you will do this one. What fraction of the clockwise revolution does the hour hand of a clock turn through when? So first you will draw the clock, right? Then for example, 3 is here to 9. It is going from 3 to 9. Okay. So you have to tell the fraction. Fine. I've already told you the fractions, right? So do this
Yes,
and
ma'am.
tell me the answers.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, done, both of you?
Done, ma'am.
Yeah. Abu Bakr, you are also done? No?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's just discuss the answers. Okay, for the first one, from 3 to 9, the fraction would be 2 upon 4, which will be 1 upon 2. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, because this is the clock from 3 to this. So how many quarters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of this, 2 are being covered. So 2 and total are 4. So 1 upon 2. For
Yes,
the
ma'am.
second one, what do you people got?
1 upon 4.
Yes, 1 upon 4. Third,
1 upon 4.
yes, 1 upon 4. Fourth,
3 upon 4.
good. Fifth,
3 upon 4.
six,
1 upon 4.
the F1,
Yeah, 1 upon 4.
F1, what you got? Manisha, what you got?
Ma'am, I got 2 by 4.
6, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. So answer would be 3 upon 4. It's not 6 to 3. It is, have you ever seen the clock going from this side? Always clock goes like this, na?
Yes,
So 6
ma'am.
to 9, then 9 to 12, it will go then 12 to 3. So from 6 to 3, it means that is covering how many? 1, 2, 3. So it would be 3 by 4. Fine, both of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes.
So this type of question, you don't have to do any mistake, right? Because you have to check how the clock moves. Don't go like the shortest distance. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Now do this one. Make your clock. Where will the hand
ma'am.
clock stop if it takes half revolution like this? Fine?
Okay, ma'am. Done, ma'am. Ma'am, can we discuss?
Abubakar, you are also done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we can discuss. Tell me.
Ma'am, who should tell the first one?
Yeah, you can tell the first one, Vinisha.
Can I draw?
Yes, tell. Hmm.
Ma'am, it will end at 6.
Okay, yes, very good. Next, Abubakar, where it will stop? Tell me. Abubakar.
Ma'am, it will end at 8.
Hmm. Hmm. In the A, yes, tell me.
Ma'am, 4.
In the A, right? In the A, it will stop at 6. In the B, it will stop at
4.
8. See,
Ma'am, it will end
start
at
at 2. Okay, from here. It makes half of the revolution. Fine. It is starting at 2 from here. Half means here na. If it start from 3, the half would be at 9. If it's starting from here, right? I told you to make one quarter, you need 3. So it's 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2 and 3. 1 will be completed here, right? And the next one would be here, right? Second quarter. Fine. So it will stop at 8. Yes or no?
Ma'am, but I wrote it like this.
Mm-hmm. Tell me.
I thought it will come at 4.
No. How it will come? Half revolution means what? Hmm? Half
Ma'am,
revolution means what?
come the opposite.
A half revolution means 2 quarters, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So that's why. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do the next one then. Tell me the next one.
Ma'am, the next one, if it starts at 5, then it will end at 8.
Hmm.
Ma'am, we are at the B or C.
Okay. So sorry for the disturbance. Yeah. For the C, where were we? C1. C will
Yes,
stop at
ma'am.
8.
Yes, ma'am. 8.
And the next one, D1.
Ma'am,
Uh,
2.
Will start at
Yes.
5 and stop at 2.
Yes. Okay. Then you can do the next one. Try doing it. The next one. Okay. East, west, I've already told you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Getting it, students? How to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Quickly do it. We are only left with 1 minute. So after that we will discuss. Like we will discuss it, the answers in the which class? Next class. Right?